What's up guys, my name is Vic with PhoneArena and today we're testing the video recording of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 against the iPhone XS Max in 4K 60, handheld, walking around, and now let's run and see which phone does a better job stabilizing the footage. Again, both phones are just handheld, so you should be able to see the difference. And the next thing that we'll test is the continuous autofocus performance in 4K 60. So let's stop right here and focus on the pine tree and switch to the background. The pine tree in the background. Once again, focus on the pine tree. Do this quicker. Okay, and this was a quick test of 4K 60 video recording on the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 and Apple iPhone XS Max.